house. We have ruby and fuchsite. You see the rubies? I'm gonna turn on a UV light. Can you see them now? Let's get a couple slabs off of this. We are set to cut off the end cut. The clutch is on. We are secure. We have water in the reservoir. I put a lot of water. So, got the cover in place. Here we go. Oh man, that's a lot of water. Alright, I took some water out. That sucker was splashing everywhere. Let's give it another try. Blade on. Look at the colors in there. Some blues. That ruby's really popping. All right, let's adjust. See those colors? All right. I think I did 5 turns last time to move the sled or the vise over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 6. 6 looks like it'll do. We'll do 6.5. I was getting some overspray, so I cut some of the leftover plastic that I had from when I made the new cover from a tote bin. I'm holding it in place with neodymium magnets to lessen the overspray from the saw blade. See if it works. That. We got splashed. Here we go. Let's set up for another one. Let's get the slab out of there. Okay, one more time with the UV flashlight. You can really see these rubies pop. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.